Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Turkey is very famous for their drones and unmanned aerial vehicles, and we saw the power of their drones during the Nagorno Karabakh conflict, in which Azerbaijan depended mainly on drones to defeat the Armenia. Azerbaijan used both Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 drones and Israeli Harab drones to win the Armenia, and worldwide their intelligence in winning this war was spoken. The Bayraktar TB2 is one of the world's best armed UAV, considering its capabilities and performance in counter-terror operations. Looks like Turkey has impressed Niger with one more product, and this time this is with their Hercules trainer aircraft. According to Turkey's president, it looks like the TB2 drones, the Hercules aircraft, and armored vehicles would be procured by Niger from Turkey in order to strengthen their military and security forces. The Hercules is a tandem single-engine turboprop aircraft being developed by Turkish aerospace industries. Hercules is a new basic trainer and ground attack aircraft, and there are 5 different variants of this particular trainer. As per the defense sources, it looks like the first aircraft is scheduled for delivery in 6 months, and they haven't disclosed the quantity and exact variant associated with this particular order. According to some sources, it looks like the variant which is being exported might be 12 Hercules-C aircraft. The Hercules-C variant can be used for the close air support role in addition to pilot training missions. And these aircrafts are capable of operating from unprepared runways, and the Turkish army has expressed interest in using these aircraft in counter-terrorism environments. The main advantage for any country post getting this hybrid trainer is to lower the cost of air power, especially in low intensity combat theaters where anti air warfare threats are minimal. So, seeing the above details, I believe Niger will benefit if they induct these trainers in their fleet. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.